All right, what's up everybody? So we're gonna do what's in the shop Wednesday. We're gonna show you everything that's here and what is getting done on it. What's up everybody? What's up everybody? What's up everybody? It's Wednesday, so it's time to see what's going on at Blackout.
What's up everybody? It's Josh from Blackout. We're gonna do another What's in the Shop Wednesday.
Oh my God.
Okay, we're at 80 degrees right now.
Tell me this is only 25 feet.
Well, the ladder's only extended up 20. Yeah.
Looking down is what gets you, right?
No, pretty much just everything. Just like existing here. What's up everybody? It's Josh. Josh. What's up everybody? It's Josh. It's Wednesday and it's time to show you what's going on here at the shop. What's up guys? It's Josh from Blackout Tinting and I'm standing in a school bus today. We're gonna show you what's in the shop this week. Welcome back. It's Wednesday, so we're gonna show you what's going on in the shop. It is time to show you what's in the shop. This time it's not on Wednesday, it's on Thursday. You know what that means. It's time for what's in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. We're gonna start here in LATROBE. What's up guys? It's Wednesday, but this week it's not what's in the shop, it's who's in the shop. What's up guys? It's Wednesday. We're gonna show you what's happening in LATROBE and in North Pittsburgh.
What's up guys, this is Luke from Blackout Tinting North Pittsburgh, here to show you what's in the shop.
What's up guys, it is Wednesday, so let's check out what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. What's up guys, this is Luke from Blackout Tinting Gibsonia, here to show you what's going on in the shop.
What's up everybody? It's Wednesday. Welcome to What's in the Shop.
What's up guys, Isaiah here, Blackout Tinting. It is Wednesday, you know what's going on. Let's check out the shop.
What's up guys? It's Josh.
What's up guys, Isaiah here with Blackout Tinting. It is Wednesday and let's see what's going on. What's up guys, Isaiah here. I know you don't see me too often. I'm typically at the front counter on the phone all day, but little do they know, I do security too.
Finally Wednesday, so let's see what we have going on this week down here at the Miami location.
What's up everybody? We are here at Blackout Miami. Here is good old Josh. He's down for a nice visit.
We have a special treat for you guys today. Typically on Wednesdays, this certain person is not here, but it's Friday, Nate is here, and we are more than happy to have him on What's in the Shop.
What's up guys and welcome to another episode of What's in the Shop Wednesday.
What's up guys, this is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami. I'll be showing you what's going on in the shop this week.
All right, let's get this gravy train rolling. Hey guys, I'm back. They said it couldn't be done. Isaiah let me out of my truck, so I'm hosting What's in the Shop Wednesday again.